Hi everyone, my name is Pietro Longhini. This is a little explanation of my project, which is made out of 6 different methods, plus the main one. And here we have the page of my readme.md. It's 15:04, so 3 p.m. Of 6 October 2024. And as you can see, here we have, I have to insert a pytest.ini, which is a file that prevent a little warning during the test, because while I was making the test, there was a warning due to a deprecated method that create this warning. But I downloaded the last version of the library, so I couldn't do anything else. So I looked on web and I found out that I had to insert this file to fix the problem. So we have these 6 methods: get weather, format daily weather, etc., etc. And now we are going to see how it works. Here is going to ask the user which city you wanted to know the weather of. I write no sense city, and it's going to call this API, and it didn't found a city, so he typed you didn't type the right city. If I typed the city where I live, as you can see, we have a little print of the city, of the weather in the city. So we have the sunny with the emoji, and the temperature with every 4 degrees there is a fire camp. So here we have a 4. We could have here 16 or 19 degrees between those values, because at 20 is going to be inserted the fifth fire camp. Fire camp when it's warm, and the snowman even when it's between 0 and 4. Here we have the weather every 3 hours, because the API give me this kind of specification. And then we have the percentage of rain probability in out of 10. So we have a number of hashtag symbols every to indicate the percentage of the rain probability. So thank you everyone, and see you.